Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. Let's do this. This is so now. Oi. So now guys, look. This is my room, and I'm alone here because my coworker sleeping downstairs. But kaya ko one guys. I fix my things because next, I think after next week or this week, I want any person I need to check my all things. Maybe have something because my coworker is crazy. Why in this mobile battery low? I don't know why. You know, I charge this and then I put in my bag. I don't know why. This is because my coworker know I have like this. Maybe I will check my wallet because I have money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. 10. 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 11,000. 11,000. My money is 11,000. Because before my husband give me this, and then he said I I need some money on my pocket because maybe I need, so for in case of emergency, but I'm not using. One time I buy ice cream and toothpaste. That's and then that's it. I have tissue. I need charge my mobile because I hate this Raiko. I will check before I close. Maybe my coworker put something. We need to alert. Maybe have tanim balagang like nahiya in Philippines, tanim balagang. Tanim balagang. I need bring this for my husband. This one, this is from my madam from Saudi Arabia, because my madam going to Saudi Arabia. So